Today, we're tackling a popular query. How old do you have to be to do DoorDash? It's a straightforward question that many of you might think has a simple answer, but there's actually a bit of detail worth considering to fully understand the requirements. Firstly, let's address the official stance from DoorDash. According to their guidelines, you must be at least 18 years old to become a Dasher. This age requirement is in place to ensure that all Dashers are legally able to enter into the contracts necessary for delivering orders. This age threshold makes DoorDash an accessible job option for many, including college students looking for flexible ways to earn money or anyone seeking a side hustle. However, it's not just about being the right age. There are other criteria you must meet. In addition to being at least 18, you'll need a smartphone to access the DoorDash app for receiving and managing orders. You're also required to have a valid driver's license and insurance if you're delivering by car. For those delivering by bicycle or on foot, requirements might differ, such as not needing a driver's license, but the age requirement remains constant across all modes of transport. Another key point to consider is that even though you can dash at 18, certain responsibilities and expectations come with the job. Professionalism, punctuality, and reliability are crucial to success on the platform, regardless of your age. Moreover, specific markets or cities might have additional requirements or regulations that affect Dashers. It's always a good idea to check the specific requirements in your area before signing up. In conclusion, you need to be at least 18 years old to start dashing with DoorDash, alongside meeting other criteria like having a valid driver's license if delivering by car and possessing a smartphone. This opportunity opens the door for many young adults to earn independently, but it comes with the responsibility of maintaining the standards expected by both DoorDash and its customers. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been informative and helpful for those looking to join the DoorDash community. Whether you're looking to make it a full-time job or just a flexible way to earn some extra cash, understanding the requirements is the first step to becoming a successful Dasher. Safe driving and happy dashing.